Well, welcome back to another video from Talking Designs. Let me start off by saying, last video, I apologize. The lighting was bad. It was cold outside, so we had a spotlight on in the garage doing work, and it just threw everything off on the video. Number two, while I was down in Florida, I thought I was loud enough, but I wasn't. So again, the volume. You know, I apologize, guys. I apologize. Okay, there was nothing I could really do to fix that. So, the lighting in the video, the volume, that's on me. I apologize. All right. I did say, however, that next time you saw the fenders and the wing, that they'll be getting primed. But because of last video, I decided to surprise you guys with something. I'm gonna show you the fenders and the wing on the car. All right, I owe it to you. So hey, sit back, let me go get them, throw them on the car real quick, and we go from there. Oh, so before I put any bolts in this, I discovered something the other day. That was never tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten both of them up and put the pins in them. Let me run in here and get the right wrench. There, passenger side. Now tell me that don't look factory. Go ahead, call me Mr. OEM. I'm waiting. There you go. All right, so like I said, oh, one more surprise for y'all. One more surprise. That wire is to enable me to feed the LED strips connectors through down into the trunk. That's why it's on there. But here you guys go. One-off custom wing. Nothing too flashy. Something different. All right. So, let me know what y'all think. And we're gonna end this video off with something special for you guys. Battery was getting connected. How about a little cold start? She hasn't been started in like 2 or 3 weeks maybe. So, there you have it. Fenders, test fitted. All right. Ring, test fitted. And I give you guys a cold start. What more could you want? All right. I love the way she sounds. Hope it doesn't change too much when we do the custom exhaust on it. But there it is, guys. All right. So, hey, in retrospect, the last video, I had to upload this one for you guys, give you something better. Thank you guys for sticking with me, supporting me, and if I'm gonna oblige you guys to go ahead and get some merch. $15 for the shirts, $35 for the sweatshirts, shipped to you, and you know, help me get this build done. G35, not so much. Those funds are directed to the 240. Is again the HI damper, that's $500. The the EMU black ECU runs 12. So that's what I need help with. The other stuff I can, minor stuff I can, you know, but without you guys helping me out purchasing merch, we're looking at a good 8-9 months. All right, but hey, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it so much. And let me give y'all one last verse. All right, ready for this? Here she goes. Man, she's lovely. Hey, peace. See y'all. Thank you again.